Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon weather briefing video. This is for Thursday, August 11th. I'm James Spann. Thank you for watching. Again, today we have a number of showers and storms in progress across the state. However, we are expecting a rare weather change by the time the weekend gets here. In fact, the dry air should begin to arrive tomorrow. Let's talk about it. This is the upper air look across the country today, and a high amplitude pattern is evolving here. And that's an important upper air change for us. We have a ridge in the west and a trough in the east, and a northerly flow aloft, and that's going to push a surface front through here over the next 24 hours. And again, the dry air begins to show up over North Alabama during the day tomorrow. But today we are still in soupy, moist, muggy air. That's the visible satellite view. You can see a number of cumulus towers across the state, some of those blossoming into storms. That was the regional radar composite this afternoon, doing the update live about 2:35. And here's a look at the Birmingham National Weather Service radar, and you can see a number of showers and storms in progress statewide. Not moving much today. For the Birmingham metro, some of the heaviest rain is falling a little to the east and southeast of the city. But really, these showers are basically popping up almost everywhere. Just about every county getting some rain, except for maybe the far, far northern part of the state. And even there, we note some storms pushing down toward the shoals out of Tennessee. And down in South Alabama, showers and storms quite extensive south of US 80, trying to creep northward. And like recent days with all of these showers and storms, the main issue coming from heavy rain, gusty winds, and a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning. But they're under severe limits, at least by classic definition. Temperatures remain below average. Birmingham at 77 at 2:15 on August day. We'll take that all day. And around the region, just no sign of any excessive heat anywhere. And by excessive heat this time of the year, we define that as upper 90s or hotter. Check the watch warning map around the country today. Pretty quiet for an August day. Got some flash flood watches back in the southwest United States. A marginal risk of severe storms through tonight, parts of Idaho and some of the adjacent states way back in the northwest. Pretty much the same area tomorrow. And day 3, which is Saturday, no severe weather expected across the country. And again, notice the northern half of Alabama should be in dry air. And really, I think much of the state will be dry on Saturday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, these maps are not that useful in summer because of the uneven distribution of rain. But you can see that we've got temporary rain amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch for much of the state. But after today, we start to trend drier for a while. In the tropics, just quiet as could be. The little wave Invest 97 is officially off the board. It's fizzled. No tropical storm formation expected for the next 2 days and for the next 5 days. That is remarkably quiet. For the middle part of August, across the Atlantic Basin, we've got 2 issues out there. Number 1, sinking air, and number 2, a lot of dry air. And that's not good for hurricane formation, which is a good thing. So, model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Ridging in the west, troughing on the east coast, and a surface front pushing down to near Interstate 20. So really, the better chance of showers and storms tomorrow down across the southern counties of the state. North Alabama should be dry with highs in the 87 to 90 degree range. And Saturday, most all of Alabama is going to be dry. And we'll check the precipitable water. And you can see the deeper moisture is really lurking just offshore and really dry air for the northern half of the state. So the dew points are down. The humidity is going to be down on Saturday, and nights will be cooler. We could see some spots maybe in the low 60s early Saturday morning. That doesn't happen that often this time of the year. Here's Sunday. Same thing, mostly dry, maybe a few showers near the Gulf Coast. Monday looks relatively quiet. Any showers will likely be few and far between, highs around 90. Tuesday, moisture begins to come back. We'll bring back the chance of a few scattered showers and storms. And the same thing on Wednesday of next week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, scattered showers and storms. And this is a week from today, Thursday, the 18th. Again, troughing over the east. And another push of dry air works in here if this works out. And we'll see how that plays out. And if that's the case, just maybe a lot of folks could see low 60s toward the end of next week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, August the 21st. Got a flat ridge in place, and that looks pretty quiet. Here's the rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean is the green line. You're looking for that between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 26th of August. Here's the national blend of models. And you can see highs around 90 through Tuesday of next week and then mid-80s after that. Again, we're just not seeing any sign of excessive heat problems. And hot off the presses, got the brand new CPC Outlook. This is for August 19th through August the 25th. And hey, again, a lot of blue on that map. For the central and southern U.S., temperatures below average, if this works out. Could be a little above average back in the western states and maybe up in the northeast. So pretty impressive water spout today down at Destin. Did you see the deal here? This was captured about 1 o'clock this afternoon. And again, that's from a shower that is offshore, and these are quite common. Now you just see them all. A lot of people get the idea that we're seeing more and more water spouts. Well, we've always had them. But now everybody's got a phone, and everybody's can take a picture or video and send it in very quickly on the tweeter and the face bag. And but that's what it looked like down at Destin. And if you got a beach trip coming up, don't let that spook you. Again, if you look at your app, you're going to think the end of the world is going to rain every day, all day. And the apps are just not useful in summer. For the weekend down there, we're expecting a routine mixture of sun and scattered storms. Well, you see a storm from time to time, sure. They happen almost every day in the summer there, but you'll see a pretty decent amount of sunshine as well. But again, that was an impressive water spout seen at Destin, really not moving much. And that was about 1 o'clock. I don't think that moved inland. And typically with those fair weather type water spouts, if they do, they just don't last long. That's not your supercell type thunderstorm down there. So that will do it for the afternoon weather briefing for today. Let's see what's on the docket here. Tomorrow morning, I'll be in Greensboro, Alabama at Southern Academy. The schedule is jam-packed this year already. I mean, it is jammed, but I love every single trip. Looking forward to see all the kids down there. The next book signing, by the way, not this Saturday, but the Saturday after that. We've got trips coming up to Winfield and Ashland. And we're looking forward to that. But that's it for the afternoon weather briefing video. Thanks a lot for watching. We will have notes on our blog. That is AlabamaWX.com. And if you can, watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.